What are the hidden pathways to terminate conservatorship? Imagine being able to regain control of your life or helping a loved one do so, even after a conservatorship has been set up. It might seem like a long shot, but there are ways to end a conservatorship that are not always obvious. Let's explore some of these less talked about options. One way is if the court determines that the conservatorship is no longer needed. This can happen if the conservatee's condition improves or their circumstances change. For example, if they start managing their own finances or personal care again, a formal petition can be filed asking the court to end the conservatorship. The court will hold a hearing and review evidence to decide if the conservatorship should be terminated. Another pathway is if the conservatee is mentally competent. They can voluntarily end the conservatorship by signing a written notice of termination. But this only works if they file the notice with the court within a specific time frame, like within 14 days of signing. It also must be properly served to the conservator. If these steps are not followed exactly, the court might not accept the termination. Sometimes, instead of ending the conservatorship completely, the court can modify it. This means reducing the conservator's powers or changing it into a limited conservatorship. If the conservatee shows they can handle some responsibilities, this can be a step toward full termination later on. In some cases, the court might decide that a different legal arrangement is more appropriate. For example, if the conservatee regains enough ability, the court could replace the conservatorship with supported decision-making or a power of attorney. These options give the person more independence while still providing some support. It's also important to remember that a conservatorship automatically ends when the conservatee passes away. After death, the conservator's role ends, and the estate's personal representative or executor takes over. They handle estate matters and close the conservatorship officially. Lastly, many courts requiring regular reviews of conservatorships. During these reviews, if the court finds the conservatee no longer needs protection, it can order the conservatorship to end. These reviews act as a hidden pathway to ending conservatorships when circumstances change. Knowing these options helps protect the rights of older adults and gives hope for regaining independence. Whether through court decisions, voluntary actions, or legal modifications, there are ways to bring a conservatorship to an end when the time is right.